Hello guys, welcome to Facebook BizTalk. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. My name is Emma.
And my name is Patrick. And one of our viewers requested we do a video about sports and management. And we are here to give you that.
Yeah,
because we are here because of you.
Yeah, because we're always supporting our audience.
Yeah.
And we always insist that if you want us to talk about a topic, leave in the comment section and we'll be sure to do that topic.
Yeah, like we are doing right now.
Yeah.
So we are going to be discussing areas you can work with a sports and management course. Yeah, and one of the areas you can work with this course is sports marketing and sponsorship. So this is where you get to work as a sports marketer.
Okay.
So maybe someone can give you a job to market maybe a sports they do. For example, they are gym trainer. You can become their own marketer, or you can even become your own marketing your own sport.
Yeah.
And the other one is sponsorship, where you get maybe to be sponsored by
organizations. Yeah. And I think when you're talking about sport, it's very broad because we're talking about volleyball, handball, chess, all these. And marketing, it's something that actually many people have not gone to do. So you find that most teams, like we have Gor Mahia in Kenya, it's a team, it's a football team in Kenya. So like maybe you're marketing for them because I think every business needs to be identified or to have an identity. So you can be marketing for them, or maybe even when they are having events, you're the one who is giving out tickets. You see things like that. So, and if let's say when you're even talking about sports, even being a gym trainer is also sports. So you can even start your own gym and be marketing your own company.
Exactly. And even talking about events, you can become an event manager or an organizer. So that is the second place that you can work. You can become an event manager or organizer, or even event operation. So this is where, because you are a sportsman, so
you know more about you know almost everything about sports.
So let's say maybe someone wants to have an event, and this event involves sports. Maybe it's a competitive event. Maybe some people are winning gifts. Who get to organize that event? You can't go and get a person who don't know anything about sports. Totally. You have to get someone with a sports certificate.
And I think like there's this time Liverpool was playing against Gor Mahia in Kenya.
I think Newcastle or something.
I don't remember one of those sports, one of those teams, and obviously there was a person who was behind that, and there was a person who organized for all those, and I think they get a lot of money because you have to plan for everything. You have to know who are the people who are playing, where will they be sitting, who are the visitors, where will they be sleeping, all this organization. So you find that even the company or maybe the team they need to have a person who will be organizing them, giving them food, knowing where their luggage will be kept. So you are coming up with these events and organizing all these events, and you get paid. And I think all these teams, especially football teams in Kenya, they are always holding tournaments, and when they're holding these tournaments, they need someone who can be planning for these events and be organizing on everything so that everything goes smoothly.
Exactly. And the other area that you can work as is sports analytics and data management. So this is where you get now, it's not like so physical. This is where you get to analyze data, what has been happening in maybe a certain sports organization. For example, you are a marketer, or you work at Gor Mahia. What is the data that has been going? How many games have they played? Have they been playing? How many did they win? How much do they get paid? Such data. You get to keep those data and manage it.
So I think even when you're talking about that, you can even start your own YouTube channel where you'll be giving insights on how many in terms of football. This maybe Sofapaka was playing against Gor Mahia, and these are the results. These are the strategies they use. You're commentating because you have all that knowledge about sports. And that is when we're talking about self-employment. But also when it comes to data analytics, obviously when it comes to news, there is a sports section. They need someone who knows more about sport. So you find that you're even working in Citizen where you're able to analyze sports and you're able to give them feedback and insights regarding sports. Apart from that, even when it comes to the team, let's say they held a tournament, you will be able to now analyze how the game went, what were the odds. I've had something like odds. What happened in the game? Where did they miss the penalty? What did the goalkeeper do? All these analytics, they will need a person who knows to really analyze sports. And I think it's something that not many people have ventured, especially in sport. And I think sport is something that men love and it has a wide audience, but not many people actually are venturing into sports.
That's true. And the last one that you can work in is a sports facility manager. So this is where you have to manage maybe a sports facility, maybe a training stadium, or maybe a, you know, like for example in football, they have this stadium and they have these academies where they get to practice. So who gets to manage that whole like premise? So that having a course in sports management, you can get a job in that premise and work as a sports facility manager. I think even the person who will be held, obviously these people, they will need their equipment will need to be maintained. They will need someone who knows which are the best equipments to buy. They will need someone who will be managing all this. And even apart from that, even though let's say you don't even get that specific job, there is someone who will be responsible to know everything that is going on. Let's say we have a team like Sofapaka. There is someone who is needed to know everything that is going on with Sofapaka, because obviously the team members, they are busy playing, the manager is busy getting funds, so they need a manager or a person who knows everything that is going around going on in the team and communicating to the manager. So I think there are very many areas you can work. You can work as even as an equipment holder. You can work as their maintenance. You can be working as their advisor, their consultant, or you can even own your own team. You can start your own stadium and start training people.
Start training your own team.
That is it, guys. Those are the areas that you can work with a sports management course. Make sure you like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time you upload a new video. And before we even forget, I know this is maybe one of the areas we have not discussed. We have talked about Betika, but Betika, they are even employing people to be their brand ambassadors. And obviously you can't be employed as a brand ambassador if you don't know anything about sport. Or maybe you can still know a lot about sports, but you don't have a certificate. You don't have an evidence to show that you are really you know what you're saying. So
there is a need for someone actually to take this course and be certified. And this course doesn't really need you to go to a physical school actually and sit down. You can do this online as you're working and get certified and present this certificate to any team, maybe even Sofapaka, Gor Mahia, and you will get a job opportunity, because not many people are going to in the sports areas. Many people are focused on being business, economics, lawyers, engineering. No one is focusing on sports. And remember, sports is something that it's a form of entertainment, so everyone will be wanting to be watching. So it's something that is here to stay. So enroll at Finstock University. Actually, they offer these courses at a very affordable price. You can actually visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can call them at 0703-313-722. Send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com.
That is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.